Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel GAMAARZ. Today, we have an exciting product review for you. The wireless electric car polisher provides a convenient and efficient way to achieve a professional-grade shine without the constraints of cords and outlets. As someone passionate about maintaining the aesthetic appeal of my vehicle, I recently had the opportunity to try out this innovative product, and I must say it exceeded my expectations. One of the standout features of this polisher is its wireless design, which enhances maneuverability and eliminates the hassle of dealing with cords. This not only makes the polishing process more enjoyable but also allows for greater reach and accessibility, especially when working on larger vehicles. The freedom to move around without being tethered to a power source is a significant advantage that sets this polisher apart from its corded counterparts. The device is equipped with a powerful and efficient motor that delivers impressive performance. The variable speed settings provide versatility, allowing users to adjust the intensity of the polish based on the task at hand. Whether tackling light polishing or more intensive paint correction, the wireless electric car polisher adapts to different needs with ease. I found that the motor operated smoothly and maintained a consistent speed, contributing to a more uniform and polished finish. Ergonomics is another area where this polisher shines. The lightweight design and comfortable grip make it easy to handle, reducing fatigue during extended use. The well-thought-out placement of controls ensures intuitive operation, further enhancing the user experience. The compact size also facilitates storage, making it a practical tool for both professionals and enthusiasts with limited space. The inclusion of long-lasting battery technology is a key selling point. The rechargeable battery provides ample power for multiple polishing sessions on a single charge. I appreciated the battery life indicator, which helped me plan my detailing sessions and avoid unexpected interruptions. The wireless electric car polisher comes with a set of high-quality polishing pads that are easy to attach and remove. The pads, combined with the variable speed settings, allow for precise control over the polishing process, ensuring optimal results. Additionally, the build quality of the polisher instills confidence, as it feels durable and well constructed. The wireless electric car polisher delivers on its promise of convenience, performance, and versatility. Its wireless design, powerful motor, ergonomic features, and long-lasting battery make it a standout tool in the world of car detailing. Whether you're a professional detailer or a car enthusiast looking to enhance the shine of your vehicle, this polisher is a worthwhile investment that simplifies the polishing process and produces exceptional results.